Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rearview mirror on a Nissan Sentra. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a new replacement mirror, and a clean microfiber cloth. Make sure your Nissan Sentra is parked on a level surface with the engine completely off for safety. We will cover both common mirror types, the wedge mount and the cam lock style, ensuring you are prepared for either. Now let's remove the old mirror. If you have a wedge mount mirror, use a T20 torque screwdriver to loosen the small screw at the base. Once loose, slide the mirror straight upwards off the metal mounting button. For a cam lock mirror, firmly grasp the mirror base and rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. It should then easily detach from the windshield mount. Always handle the glass carefully during this step. Before installing the new mirror, proper preparation is key. First, thoroughly clean the metal mounting button on your windshield using rubbing alcohol and a clean cloth. This removes any old adhesive or grease, ensuring a strong bond. Make sure the area is completely dry. If your mounting button has come off, apply a specialized rearview mirror adhesive, following the product's instructions carefully. Allow it to cure for at least 15 minutes. Finally, let's install your new rearview mirror. For a wedge mount, align the mirror's bracket with the mounting button and slide it downwards until it's secure. Then, tighten the torque screw firmly, but do not over-tighten. If you have a cam lock mirror, push its base onto the button and rotate it 90 degrees clockwise until it locks into place. Once installed, adjust the mirror to your optimal viewing angle for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.